In this video, I would like to talk about a long requested feature coming in Zabbix 8.0 called Dashboard Import and Export. So here I have 8.0 Alpha 2 installed in my environment. Over here I have two instances, and I'm in the dashboard section currently. And this is environment 1. It has a couple of dashboards, and environment 2 has the same set of dashboards, except it does not have that application server's dashboard. So over here we can open it, take a look at it. So we have a couple of basic widgets. We have item values, graphs, geomaps, problems by severity over here. And the difference between these two environments, just to make things a bit more complicated, is one environment has this application server node and the other one does not have it. So we want to see how the export and import is going to behave if, for example, we are importing a dashboard on an instance that does not have some of the hosts available on the original instance. So let's do just that. So in the dashboard section, we select our application server's dashboard and we click export. Here we have a selection, once again, of file types. We are used to it. This is the same how export behaves for example, templates or hosts. So we can select YAML, XML, or JSON. It's going to use YAML by default if we click export over here. So let's export it. Now I'm going to download the file and move to the second instance and import it. And in the second instance, all we have to do is click import and select the file that we just exported. Okay, let's click import. Here we can see a list of changes, the diff that we are used to. And here we can see we have references to missing objects. We do not have that application server on our second instance. Let's import the dashboard and see how it looks like with the missing host. So here we can see we have our application server dashboard. Let's open it. And we can see a full set of widgets with their coordinates and configuration has been imported into the second environment. The widgets that reference the application host are empty. They are still there, but they are empty. I think this is the ideal behavior. You don't want to miss those widgets, but they're there. And we know, okay, that we are missing some host that was available on the original instance. So feel free to check this feature out. It's available in pre-release version in Zabbix 8.0 Alpha 2. So feel free to set this up in your non-production, in your test environments, and take a look at our latest set of features coming in Zabbix 8.0.